Good morning, y'all. So I had to be out today, but this is what I want you to do. You are going to sign up for Class Dojo. This is a way for you to earn points, and you can get rewards for the points. So ways to earn points in class. So take a minute and read those. Ways you can lose points. Well, it's not going to let me put it in Spanish, but let's try this. All right, so muchos palabras malas, tardio, and usa la celular con no permisión. So, the way to sign up for this all right, you will go to dojo.me. So you're going to put dojo.me in the address bar, like so. Then it will take you, so number 2, to a screen. You will enter the text code. Then I am a student, and then you will find your name. After you find your name, you're going to click on your monster and design your monster. So let's do this. So I'm going to take Dojo Me, and I'm going to put it in a new address bar. So here is my monster. To change my monster, I click on the monster. Sorry, slow internet. Once this opens, I'll be able to design what my monster looks like, including clothes. So here comes my monster. And I can just design what he looks like. So this is your assignment today. After you've designed your monster, I want you to, in your journal, if it'll let you. If it won't, then that's fine. But in your journal, I want you to write why rules and procedures are important in class. So that's it. That's what you guys are doing today, and I'll see you on Friday.